chai tea. So we have a box of it now. No English breakfast tea, at least not yet. This is the crunchiest peanut butter I ever saw in my life. Got some mince with a goat. Ooh.
For like secret Grumpy Cat guest lists. Oh my
So
God.
Zoe, last time, was it on South by Southwest? You met an original Grumpy Cat.
I did.
And took a selfie with her. It's her, isn't it?
It is a her, yeah.
And Grumpy Cat is...
So jealous.
That was 3 years ago.
I'm a massive Grumpy Cat fan. Like an OG Grumpy Cat fan.
I'm getting that now. I feel like this experience was wasted on me. It was a cute cat.
South by Southwest Day 2. Let's do this. Yeah, it's still raining, but it's really nice and warm inside. Me and Zoe are going for some tacos because breakfast is very important for the success of your day. And the best thing is breakfast taco. Breakfast taco was a huge success. Back in the convention site, I'm going to wander around, see what they have. This place is absolutely enormous. Lots and lots of things are happening at the same time. Interactive film and music. This badge only gives you primary access to one of them, but it also gives you secondary access to the rest of them as well. So technically you could listen for talks during the day and then go listen to the music and watch films during the evening and late night. Into the random rooms and just find the most amazing stuff. Let's do this tomorrow. Red carpet experience. If you need a job in tech industry, here we go.
Oculus ITC 是在第5个。那再看这个我们的处理器，我们用了移动上最强的处理器。
Still raining. Going for some lunch now.
Put it in a smoothie. It's covered by
So much water.
Now yes, but 5 years
Had some French crepes for lunch. Let's see if we can find some celebrity speaking today.
If you're here for line D, please stay in a single file line along the edge.
I will tell you, I had
actually the longest queue of this event.
Okay, go ahead, left side. Guys, please stay to your left side. Please stay to your left side. I can help you.
Thank you.
I was messing with my skateboard backstage, and she was like, "They're calling you out there." So, you ever have those like kind of fucked up existential moments when you're like, "How did I get here?" I will never know like what difference could those 36 inches have made. That he came over and like the universal language of like, "Don't jump off that cliff, asshole," communicated to me like what.
Be a warrior for love, write like a motherfucker. I mean, you know,
Very important.
that write like a mother, you know, actually write like a motherfucker is such has become such a thing that I didn't even, it's not even in Brave Enough. Like it's not one of the quotes in Brave Enough. I write about it in the introduction. But my favorite thing is at my book signings, people will come up to me and say, you know, will you please write, engineer like a motherfucker, or you know,
Mother like a motherfucker.
Be a mother like a motherfucker is another common one, and I love that because that's what write like a motherfucker means. Like that's what that column. I don't know if any of you have read that column, but that's what I was driving at when I was writing about, you know, writing this letter to this writer who's saying, I'm a writer, but I can't write, and I want to be David Foster Wallace, but I'm not David Foster Wallace, and I'm 26, and why aren't I famous yet? I was saying, shut up and write like a motherfucker.
Alright, this was a huge success. Day 2. The brain juice. It's like a green and healthy. If it's green, it must be healthy.
I dread to think what will happen to me if you. This has got green tea in it. What are you trying to do to me?
Drink it at the same time.
It's so sad.
What are you doing?
Oh.
It's the best time to know if you're a
How is it?
Yeah.
How's your brain?
I feel invigorated. Yeah, it tastes
How's your brain?
Still there?
But it turns out I was good at
How's the birds?
like, yeah.
with Jessica.
Oh wow, wow. What did you prepare? Navigating around the night life of Austin, trying to find a place. The rain continues. Music is also everywhere. Austin is a very nice place.
Give up